Assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make this solid object. So at first I'm taking the new file, then going to select the MMGS, then go to the top plane and select the extruder boss. Go to the center rectangle and draw a center rectangle. Then go to the smart dimension. Show the dimension, it will be 100 millimeters and it will be 80 millimeters. Okay, exit it. The upwards is 20 millimeters. Okay, done. Then go to extruded boss, then click here, then go to normal plane for Ctrl 8, then go to the circle and draw a circle. It will be 50 millimeters. The upwards 20 millimeters and merge node is taken. Then extruded boss is cut, it's selected and click here, then go to the circle and draw a circle. It will be 40 millimeters. Exit it and select the through all. Okay, then go to here, select the extruded boss and click here, then go here for normal plane or Ctrl 8 and select the corner rectangle, draw a corner rectangle. Go to the smart dimension, it will be 20 millimeters. Okay, exit it. Okay, it will be merge node and it will be 80 millimeters. Sorry, 80 millimeters. Okay, then go to the fillet and select this part, another piece, another part, another piece, another part. Okay, done. Then go to the extrude cut and click here, then Ctrl 8, then go to here for selecting the circle and draw a circle whose diameter will be 40. Okay, done. Then it will be through all. Then go to the mirror and here go, right plane is selected, then one click, another click. Okay, done. Sorry, again. Geometry selected. Then I'm going to select the materials. Steel is selected and brush steel is taken. Taking the brush steel. Okay, done. Then going to select the color. This color is better. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe.